What if I told you I failed at YouTube and still want you to try it? I have created 190 videos and uploaded 90 of them. And I am a failed YouTuber and still I recommend almost everybody to start YouTube channel. If I were a successful YouTuber, that would have made more sense. But give me 2 minutes and I will convince you why you should start your YouTube channel. Risk is too low to ignore. You can start your YouTube channel with your college, you can start your YouTube channel with your job, you can start your YouTube channel with your coaching, you can start your YouTube channel with whatever you are doing. You can literally start your YouTube channel without quitting anything that you are doing currently. You are not yet aware of the fact that how relatable and how inspiring you can be on the internet for so many people. Classic example of relatability is the rebel kid. She was not knowing that she will be that relatable. She just created it and then rest is history. Considering the worst case scenario, even if you fail, you will not feel bad about yourself, seeing other creators growing. You will sleep peacefully knowing the fact that you tried, you have taken the risk, and you put yourself out to be judged by so many people on the internet. And this is very satisfying, trust me. If you get noticed, if people find you relatable, which you are not aware of, whether you are or you are not, then the sky is the limit. Thank you. And I hope to see your YouTube channel link in my DMs and I will be your first subscriber. Go and create your videos. Thank you.
Whenever your heart is broken